Social anxiety does not exist. I am standing in the middle of hundreds of people right here and I am screaming at the top of my voice just to tell you that social anxiety is completely false. It is all inside your mind. Society has taught us that we need to be silent. We should not talk in a loud voice in front of others. But the reality is completely different. The moment you think that this is enough and I am not gonna limit myself to the systems that the society has taught us, the moment you realize that and apply that, everything changes. The purpose of this video is only and only to show you that social anxiety is just a framing of our mind. This is your time to stop overthinking and start doing things you actually like. Stop fearing what others think about you and start doing what you actually want to do. Save this video for another day when you are overthinking and struggling to talk with people around you.